Hey, I'm Dr. Gerard with Focus on You Chiropractic. With hand sanitizer being at a crazy shortage right now, I wanted to show you how you can make your own at home. And these are items that I actually just recently bought at Walmart, so they are out there, though hand sanitizer is not. So you want to start with alcohol. So 90% or better is best because you want your final solution to be 60% or more according to the CDC. So if you can find the 90%, that's best. If you can't, the 70%, we'll do it a pinch. So you want to mix it together with your aloe gel at a 2-to-1 ratio. So we're going to put 2 cups of this rubbing alcohol in here, or whatever. This is actually a 1/3, 1/2 cup. The idea is you just have to be on a 2-to-1 ratio with the gel and the rubbing alcohol. So there's our 2 1/2 cups of rubbing alcohol, and then this aloe vera gel. We're going to put 1 cup of that gooey stuff here. Drop that in. There we go. And then mix it as best as you can here. Actually mixes pretty well in with the rubbing alcohol. And then if you have a funnel, you can try that. Basically, you just need any container with a pump on it. If a spray container will work as well, if that's what you've got. This is a Mrs. Meyer's hand soap container that I saved. Pull the label off, and I'll label it after as homemade hand sanitizer. And I'm just using my pump to fill the bottle up. This might take me a while, so we're not going to video the entire process of me filling the bottle with my little pump here. Of course, a funnel would work better, but I didn't have a funnel at the office, so that's it. That's how to make your own hand sanitizer at home. Thanks for watching. Have a great one.